Hi guys, I just ran across your channel today. I was watching Horror Show 3000, and I'm sorry I'm filming on this camera because the battery died in my other camera, causing quite the fiasco actually. Well, I was filming a segment, my battery died and ruined the entire segment, but that's okay. I figured I'd enter your contest while I'm at it. I think you guys are adorable, by the way. I've been watching a few videos today, and I think you guys are absolutely adorable. And I don't even know if I'm in frame, so I'm really sorry if I'm not, because this camera doesn't have a thing on the front to tell me if I'm in frame or not. But you wanted to see how we organize our DVDs. Now, right now, I've upgraded from DVD racks to bookshelves because there was not enough space in my DVD racks to store all my DVDs. So it's quite the mess. It's very unorganized. But I'll show you anyway, and I'll tell you what it's going to be like when I'm done, which will probably be better. Okay, and I'll just turn it around here. This is basically my setup. It's my computer. All my DVDs. And, well, PlayStation games there, that's the boyfriend's part. But all these will be all horror. Right now they're very mixed up, very mixed up. But it's going to be done alphabetically and by genre, so it'll be horror and science fiction and fantasy. I put those together because that's the type of stuff that I watch the most. And then action, and then comedy, and then some random stuff. And alphabetically by that. But right now it's just a mishmash of everything. But that's what it's going to be like. So perhaps I'll have to do another video once it's all done and organized, and I'll be starting to show my collection. Yes, that's a goat skull with a snake on it. And that's, look at me, little me. Okay, distracted. I get distracted easily. But yeah, that's the way I organize my DVDs. Or, well, the way I will be organizing my DVDs once I get around to it. Because I hate changing things around. I hate it. So, yeah. Hi. You also asked what the favorite movie snack is. My favorite thing to munch on during movies are chips. I love chips. Look at me. I love chips. Old Dutch, sour cream, and green onion are my favorite. I also like eating these. These are delicious if I have like a sweet tooth. It's David Roberts praline chocolate mix. And it's basically just pralines and cashews and little chocolate covered things. They're delicious. As for what I drink watching a movie, Monster. Yeah, Monster energy drink. That's what I drink. I'm always hyped up on Monster. It's bad for me, I know, but could be worse. Yeah, so watching a movie, I eat pralines and some sour cream and onion chips, preferably Old Dutch, and Monster energy drinks. And please continue making great videos, and I absolutely think, like I say, you're absolutely adorable, and bye-bye.